Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, security alarm, fog lights, power locks, compass, power convenience group, trip computer, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, tachometer, remote keyless entry, SIRIUS Satellite Radio. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, so stop in for a test drive today.